What's up, guys? Today we are going to be reviewing the Darksaber from Xtra Life Toys and Games. To start off, when you order any high-end replica from Xtra Life Toys and Games, you're going to be sent one of these awesome briefcases. So, let's get it open. Inside, we are going to have our manual, stand, your set screws and Allen key, your USB to download your own sound fonts, instructions to reset the combination on the case, of course your charge cable, your Darksaber blade, and of course, the Darksaber itself. This Darksaber only comes in the Xenopixel V3, so that means that it is our higher end soundboard. It's going to have lights going all the way up the blade, so you're going to be able to have different animations within your blade. Different ignitions, retractions, blaster effects, all that fun stuff. The Xeno V3 allows you to pair the saber with your phone, so you can change colors, change ignitions, change retractions, change sound fonts, do different effects, all from the ease of your phone. Now, if you don't want to use your phone, of course, the Darksaber has a button. You can do everything with this button as well. Comes with a D-hook, so you can hang it on your belt if you're attending conventions or anything along those lines. The Darksaber is one of the heavier sabers that Xtra Life Toys and Games carries. This saber has a full aluminum chassis. It's a matte black and matte gray finish with a shiny finish for the tip. This is the Darksaber seen in The Mandalorian. Unfortunately, this is my only Darksaber, so I don't have any other products to compare it with, such as the Walmart one or the Disney one, but I can say this is superior to any other Darksaber on the market. The Darksaber is definitely one of the most iconic and most popular lightsabers on the market. Everybody is interested in the Darksaber. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you get yourself a Darksaber at xtralifetg.com. Link will be in the description as well as in our bio. Use code FREESHIP at checkout to get free shipping on your very own Darksaber. Join in on all the fun that we have here at Xtra Life with your very own battle grade lightsaber. Right now, we're giving away a Darth Maul lightsaber. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and you're automatically entered for that giveaway.